to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids147, and I've got an unboxing today. Now this one was ordered because I wanted to see what this seller's canvases were like. I've heard very good things, so I wanted to see if the canvases were as good as people say. So this was ordered from Timni Arts, and I ordered it on AliExpress. Now it's the longest I've had to wait for something to ship, I'll say that much. It's not a big one, it's not a big painting, but it took a total of 28 days to ship to me. The first tracking number didn't seem to move, so when I questioned the seller, I got sent a second tracking number that had only just moved. So anyway, let's have a look and see if these canvases are much different. So say it took 28 days to get to me, but I did only pay £7.50 for this canvas. It is just a small canvas. I mainly wanted to see what their canvases were like before I decided whether I need to purchase more. So the box has got a bit mashed, but not too bad. And oh, there we go. That is what comes inside the kit. So for the toolkit, we get a blue pen, this time with a single placer. We get a little boat with a little thing of wax and a few bags. So a basic toolkit, but the canvas itself is wrapped up in another bag, which is quite nice. You know, if the rain or anything were to get in it, at least you know it's protected. Oh, it's soft. So it's nice and soft on the back, and it has got a crinkle edge to stop it fraying. It is a poured glue, and to unfurl, that is the painting. So I did get one that was a little bit abstract, so I'm going to turn it over. There is nothing wrong with the back at all, but it's nice and soft. And I'm just going to roll it the other way to see if that will help it to lie flat. There we go. So it does come with a clear canvas, and ooh, it's got glitter. So I'm not even sure if the camera's going to pick that up, but there is glitter inside this canvas. You can't see it on the back because it's soft and furry on the back, but there is glitter within the canvas itself, which is quite nice, and it does go all the way through. So it does go through onto the symbols as well, which if I pull that back and hold it up this way, the symbols are extremely clear. It is a round painting. They don't have a black line around the round, but they do have a slightly lighter shade where the symbol is of the colour and a darker shade around the outside. I'm really not sure if you're going to be able to see that glitter, but there is a slight amount of sparkle in the canvas itself, so that's nice. And it's classed as a 40 by 30, so let's have a look. I'm going to need my tape measure for this one, not a ruler. So 40 by 30, let's have a look if that is indeed, okay, so that is the canvas size, and even that's short. So 40 is actually over here. So the canvas itself is nearer 38.5 centimetres, and the actual diamond painting area is 31.5 centimetres. And then going the other way, even if we take into account the curly edges, it's only 28 deep and just under 22 for the pasting area. So the canvases are a little bit off size, and they are more small than not. So let's have a look at what drills we get in this. Oh, now this is a seller that do what we call AB drills. Beloris, I think it is. They do that style of drill. However, the listing doesn't tell you whether you get them in it or not. but I'm very excited to say this one does. So just to show you the other things that come in it, so you get a full diamond painting instruction. Check the packets first, check you've got everything. Shows you your toolkit. You find the corresponding colour, shows you how to put the glue in your wax, how to put them on, how to press your canvas down when it's done. If you're going to roll it with the diamonds on the outside, and then how you can decorate it with a frame. And that's the same on both sides. And they're both in English. But, ooh. So, having a look down here, we've got DMC numbers all the way down here, but then we've got 4 here that are just down as different numbers. So we've got 145, 132, 137 and 138, which aren't DMC numbers. So that makes me think we might have 4 shiny colours. So I'm going to have a quick look. There's one here. So can we see the difference? They've got like a iridescent shine on the outside, and the plain colour would go flat. This one might have just bumped up my cue. Here's another one. This is classed as the 137. That's a blue. Oh, that is pretty. 145. That is another one that is, if my camera will focus, come on. It's probably finding it hard because there's not that many. It's not as many diamonds in that packet, though I do have a second packet. And then 138. So we do have 4 AB type diamonds in this one. Oh, it's worth waiting for already. So that's the same colour. Let's have a look. Is that one? That's another one. Oh, so there's quite a few that must be in the AB diamonds, and the rest. So let's see, are these similar? These are similar. They're not exactly the same colour, but they're similar. So you can, let me turn it over actually. Let's go for the plain part on the back. So this is your plain standard type diamond, and this is your AB diamond. So it's got a nice little shine to it. This one is bumping up my cue. I'll tell you now, this one is going to get done sooner. It's small, it won't take too long, and it's got shiny drills. So yeah, we've got all the packets here. We've not got an inventory sheet, so I will just need to check that all the diamonds that are supposed to be here are here. So what I'll do is I'll bob you on a pause, and I'll just line up the diamond colours. But look at that. I think that's a funky image, and even in the smaller size that still looks good. You can tell what it is. You know, with abstract paintings you can get away a little bit more with having a smaller image size, because you still get to see what it looks like. But let me line up these drills and I'll come back and show you what we've got. Okay, so that's all the diamonds sorted. Most of them, there is only one packet. So most of them only have one packet. There is a few that have more. I'm quite glad to say a couple of them that have more are these shiny ones. So these are the shiny ones across the bottom. Oh, that goes in that one. So there's 4 shiny ones across the bottom. We've got 2 packs of 310, 2 packs of 666, which is a red, and 2 packs of 3845 and 3341. But apart from that, they're all one single packet. They do seem to do them by weight though. So for example, this 3340 is there's quite a lot in that one, whereas 745 there's nowhere near as many. So I think this seller may do them by weight, though I'm not sure. And then to confirm, we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 29 normal colours, and then 4 AB colours, which should make a nice pattern. What I have also noticed is there's quite a few that are together in the DMC numbers. So we've got 701, 702, 703 and 704, which should give a nice shading for the green. Also the 3843, 3845, 3846, they're quite similar in the shading as well, and it wouldn't surprise me if this one sort of goes in the middle. It's the sort of AB diamond of a very similar colour. But to have a look, so for A, which is an AB, which is, sorry, no, not A, E, which is number 145, we've got a scattering of that all the way up here and all the way around here and here and here. So there's quite a few different places, and we've got it over here as well. So it looks like there's quite a scattering of that one. J, which is another one, we've got it down here, around here, up the middle, here, here. Have we got any over there? Yeah, we've got some down here. So there's quite a few different places that we've got that. Same with the K, in with this blue, we've got quite a scattering of the AB diamonds in there. We've got some going up here in the middle. We've got some going up here. So there's quite a few different places. And then for P, we've also got some of that scattered in similar places to the K, but a few places that the K isn't as well. So I think that's going to give a really, really nice effect once it's done. I am rather excited about this one now I've opened it. But to show you again, symbols are as clear as day. There is nothing wrong with the glue. It's a poured glue. It's a very sticky glue. It's a beautiful canvas. It's got a nice soft back. It's got nice trimmed edges. This is going to be a pleasure to work on, and it's got glitter. And we've got a lot of colours. So I don't know about you, but I'm really impressed with this. It may have taken a little bit longer to get here, but it's really, really nice. So to confirm, I paid £7.50, and it's from Timni Arts on AliExpress, and it did take a total of 28 days to get to me, but that is going to be so much fun to do. So that's my recent unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. Keep an eye out for a review of this one. I have got some big ones on the go, but I kind of want to get this one done as well. Thanks for watching. Speak to you all again soon.